back to the class. We have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent x all over 2 equals 40. Okay, so our equation becomes 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent x equals 2 times. Now 40 is the same as 8 times 5. Okay, so let's factorize. We have 2 exponent x times 1 plus 1 equals, 2 is the same as 2 exponent 1. 8 is the same as 2 exponent 3. All right, so we're going to have 2 exponent x times 2 equals 2, okay, times 2 exponent 3 times 5. All right, so we're going to divide here by 2, here by 2. So this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel. So you're going to have 2 exponent x equals 2 exponent 3 times 5. All right, now let's divide here by 2 exponent 3, here by 2 exponent 3. So this and this will cancel. So we are left with 2 exponent x over 2 exponent 3 equals 5. All right, now let's apply the quotient rule. And that states that a exponent m over a exponent c should give us a exponent m minus c. So this gives us 2 exponent x minus 3 equals 5. All right, now let's apply logarithms since the bases are not the same. All right, so we are going to say log 2 exponent x minus 3 equals log 5. All right, now let's apply the logarithm definition. So you say log a exponent n base b should give us n log a base b. So this will give us x minus 3 times log 2 equals log 5. All right, now let's divide here by log 2, here by log 2. So this and this will cancel. So we are going to have x minus 3 equals log 5 over log 2. All right, now let's apply the change of base formula here. So we say log a over log b should give us log a base b. Therefore, we are going to have x minus 3 equals log 5 base 2. So this gives us x equals log 5 base 2 plus 3.